How to set song as alarm on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on the option of sound and vibration here. Select on it, and as you tap on sound and vibration, you can see the option of alarm over here. So tap on alarm, and as you tap on alarm, it will just take you to next page where you can see the ringtones. Now what you can select the ringtones over here by tapping on choose local ringtone. So tap on choose local ringtone, and here select on music, and now you can select music or songs that you'd like to set as alarm. So I'm going to select a random song over here. So let's select one of these and then tap on OK. Now simply tap on apply, tap on alarm. Now it has been applied successfully, so you can just go back and check on it. So let's check on settings. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.